Greetings and welcome to my channel. I built this here shed and I'm going to put together a video of each day's progress. Hope you enjoy it. Let me show you the tools that we used in order to get this taken care of. Pretty basic tools. Anyone can use these things. Got the shovel, a level. I only use that hammer for the actual floor base. For the rest of the time I use George the hatchet. I'll talk about that in a second. But yes, some leveling device, tape measure, of course the booklet, pencil. This is a 3/4 inch block, drill, and yeah, some of the extra leftover nails and screws, and then a couple clamps. Bought some extra clamps, a triangle. This here had a couple of different blades on it. Where'd those blades go? Oh, I don't know. They were around here somewhere. Oh, there they are. Yeah, use the regular and the hook blade. That hook blade is for shingles, which we used as well. Had to use a drill bit, a saw, some caulking with a caulking gun, tin snips. There's 2 different types of caulking, some tape, stapler, and some roofing nails. Don't forget the paint roller. The actual ones I used are still dirty, so I'll use that to represent. But it was a 5-gallon bucket with a tray and a paintbrush. Still got some shingles there, and that window I didn't put in. At least I'm not going to this time. Maybe another day. But I hope you enjoy the process, and we'll get right to it. Settled overnight. Got myself 12-inch shingles cut. I'm gonna set them into place and then get to work. So should be fun. Hyperlapse, go! Sun is coming out. I'm getting ready to fasten the wood floor into the runners. So we'll get on to that next. I'm gonna take off my jacket and hat so I don't sweat so much. Back in flash. Okay, good news. With just a tiny adjustment, it is back to 100% square and also level everywhere. I did add one more shingle over there. Yeah, just slightly down, but it was like that before, so I went ahead and handled it with a shingle. Let's hope the settling is done for now. And time to put that floor on. It's gonna look nice. That sun is doing its thing. I'm gonna go get me a hat, cover up my neck, maybe grab some water, finish this baby. Once I fixed that right there, I decided to put screws down the whole thing on that side and along the other end to keep all those boards exactly where they're supposed to be. So let's get it going. I can't believe it. It asks it to be 187 and 7/16 on both sides. And wouldn't you know it, that's what it came out to. Pretty exciting. It's all square and level. So this should be a great start for the shed. 10 by 12. Well, if you need to take a break, hit pause. I'm gonna throw on the tunes and start building. Well, it's getting dark, and I'm gonna go ahead and call it a night. I got the 7 trusses built. I think that's what they're called. But yeah, I'm getting tired. I took a little break in the middle to go get food with my lady, because you know, you gotta do that stuff. So, to be continued tomorrow. I'll start building the door header and then follow whatever instructions. I still have to call the folks to see about getting those 2 extra pieces of wood, or if they're going to reimburse me if I pick them up at the store. Till then, good night.